Bullish quantum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $11.84 and $22.36 by 2030. Market investigators accept Qtum could reach $9.21 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.10. Quantum presentation. Qtum is a crossbreed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run savvy contracts and decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dai, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fendon, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have collected a great group of consultants, including Roger Ver, Anthony Diorio, Zustar, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angel List. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum one of a kind? The Qtum blockchain has two special advances that expect to tackle the four issues its originators seen as most dangerous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention. The record deliberation layer considers more prominent interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains, and between shrewd agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it really makes a span between various blockchains, considering simpler communication. Moreover, all makes it conceivable to interface brilliant agreements with true applications, which has been hard to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be changed by any individual who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Critically, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Qtum value gauge. A few elements add to this hopeful Qtum cost expectation. Qtum, first and foremost, has solid basics with a huge and developing local area behind it. The group has additionally effectively executed its guide, bringing about numerous organizations and combinations with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At long last, the new send-off of primary netmarking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most available stages for decentralized applications and savvy contracts. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is estimated to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum current cost. Qtum is as of now worth $2.63 USD. Qtum has moved 3.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $23,356,953. Qtum is as of now positioned 112 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $273,042,260 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Qtum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. For instance, a huge trade could get hacked and lose client certainty, unofficial law could get stricter, or another contender could enter the market and take piece of the pie. These things are challenging to foresee, and Qtum is the same. That being said, a few general things can be seen while attempting to foresee the cost of Qtum ahead of time into what's in store. The first is reception. On the off chance that more individuals use Qtum for everyday exchanges, the interest for Qtum will go up, thus will the cost. The second thing to take a gander at is contest. In the event that different coins are more qualified for explicit undertakings than Qtum, they may not be utilized so a lot and the cost will go down. Thirdly, development should be thought of. Assuming the Qtum group concocts new highlights or applications that make it more appealing than different coins, then, at that point, its cost will probably go up since individuals will need to get it before it gets excessively costly. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous quantum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Quantum value expectation 2023. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Qtum cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $3.95. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. averaging $3.68 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.16. Quantum value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Quantum Qtum cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $6.58. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Qtum's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.26 and a typical exchanging cost of $5.79. Quantum value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $9.21 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $8.42 and a low of $7.89 in 2025. Quantum value expectation 2026. Assuming that quantum effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $11.84, with a base cost of $10.52 and a typical cost of $11.05. Quantum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $13.68 by 2027, with a base cost of $13.15 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $14.47. Quantum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $16.31. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $17.10. Neglecting to assemble the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $15.78. Quantum value expectation 2029. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $18.41 and a yearly cost close above $19.73 in 2029. Quantum value forecast 2030. By 2030, quantum will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $21.05 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value